for Melbourne University of Cape Coast for Abaso. One more aya dear. For me, no, it's the very first time I made a home sembisi a Ghana. I've not heard anything like this before. Na aya debia a yepa because I told the Biana Ghana ye bisa say send me your prison systems no eteno embwa. Because we be me a dance here, say Ghana for be bra ye chiomo ye di omo ko prison. We be bokro no ne chene di ko prisoner. Womu pie ba obe won say womo sanso ekobo sa akro no na abiom ne asanso a chiomo akoto prison. Na say prison ho no system bi eni ho a ebe reform omo ebia amomo adwuma ana amomo adesua bi into womu pie every prison ho na at least they have something a womu betumi ade aye omo anka so mo adwuma. Na tese womo nso atumpon ewo eye abrabo because any him say ye do ko prisoner ya na wa brabo no it delays upie ba abonta bo hunze onam fofo ni akoso wa brabo mo de afiansa wo sanso ebe hya ase foforo na we na ama UCC for they've partnered with Insawan prison de omo aye ene say wo mo akosete up a campus ewo Insawan prison ho as a campus no ma ya tre prisoners fo ni bia de na ya tre omo ade na wo mo nya diploma into omo wi a akoye say womo akọ esuapon ewo Ghana ha sei ana omo wi a akoye say bia womo any prisoner womo akọ suapon minim say the American no what ya say there only prisoner if you are not a prison if you are not a prisoner so who need prison na wo kita ebia wo SSC ya obetume the SSC no akọ ebia suapon bi na wakasa opese wo ye course bi sei opese wo ye course bi sei na trese suapon na fa na wesua de na won so one day we benya nim de e wo de okosua e wo suapon nim na prisoners no Ghana ha se na bibisa eni ho nti UCC for ye beka se wo mo akosi wo mu school ni bi e wo Insawan prison Emma prisoners ni bia wo mo pese wo mo tia so eco school no ye tro mo ade e wo prison ho te se nea ye betre wade wo suapon na inti by the time ebia obe serve wo sentence ewie e wo prison ho no na te say at least you have a certificate won so na te say abrabo no why ya there so ko prison no you didn't go to waste your life na womo ehya just I think last 3 days na last 3 days womo hya no they started with 59 inmates not as a 59 prisoners and they do more ehya ye tro mo ade not as womo nya diploma they are being enrolled in some diploma courses for wait dear the vice chancellor of UCC your friend Joseph Ampia Mr. Joseph Ampia, wait dear, me bo abaso to sit and think of something like this for the prisoners in this country. Wait dear. Other than say, yeah, na the story back and the way akobo krono Ghana robbery see. I mean, at least if for nothing at all, now we a good news. I was saying na ya kan ho asem. Jenda mene oka say they sworn in fresh batch of students. Womunia aswear oath of allegiance. Na the emit there and say ye launch program no e prison ho na ye swear in and ye beka say ye enrolli the first batch of 59 inmates no vice chancellor nankasa no wo ho wankasa we dey ye prison intime nko ho wono ankasa no wo ho no ankasa no oswear these prisoners in with the oath of allegiance no nankasa na yes anyama no because school bia okosuapon asa na ete I don't know for other schools but me ye ko university say matriculation near the moako moko na mo swear in oath of allegiance na say school na waba no wo besua de nti sa na yaye omo pepepe nti akwa yes oni prison kra wo okosuapon nti at least if for nothing at all kana nipa ko no wasting the time e wo prison ho wo besua de e bia yes tears and na omo so like what you say ade we di amameni age manka na meboa amameni age papa amameni age papa na you say the 59 inmates no afe be hwe omonim enije pani kese wo mani agye ama ebe ye okra se you release you like ebe ye say wo yakatrom say wo mo sentence instant omo serve no omo serve wie. That was how they were very happy. Like they were extremely cheerful. They were happy. Now omoni agye say hey, wait here. Things like this, no reforms be say any ye person yet like things like this, ye person yet near ka say Ghana ye koyenim. What you say? Because me to me aka say Mbrofofo Krano, they've not thought of something like they be ye ka say Mbrofofo prison there. Wo mo hwe nkrofo ne so ye Mbrofofo prison e bia na ya ma wadwuma bi na wo ye ntu pia na te say but wo mo kra na mente nsem bi say that say ye the work of prison na still ye ma wusua de into wupia ebe ye se wo bia wono nso akosua pon na wo certificate no ono nso kitabi. A very very good thing in Mbrofofo Kramente here. And I make this is the first time I've heard of something like this. Now UCC womoya. Now I believe say all the other institutions, tertiary institutions are Ghana has say no, they will put their pride and not their ego aside. No more who say wait there UCC for they've led the way. Ye ni ayensia na yanso yenye wo other prisons. UCC ekoye e won sawom. What you say? Ebia KNUST mu betumi akọ Kumasi prisons. Kumasi prison kese bi nso wo ho. What you say na KNUST mu nso mu akọye mo de wo ho. Lagos nso mu betumi apẹ prison bi e won Nkran ha ya na mo nso mu aye. Oh, takwa de polemu na mo akọ tese e ya dia ye suapon na e wo Ghana nia no efa na wo musua e ya dia ebeboa. Because let me tell you one reason why most of the prisoners no wo mo eco prison no mo ba bonia edi o mo kotu mu no wo mo ye biom. One, wo ko prison ho na wo ko sia more criminals na esen criminals wo de ne ho bo mo e wa bonten e ma wo mo ma na ideas na wo serving the time ni wie na wo pie a obo say wo pie nso ba wo de ne ho bebo ono ankasa ne na fofo criminals no na wo pie aba no we who say omo a wo mu nya criminals na wonim omo bia wo ko serve 10 years na wonim say akola bi embra wo ko no akola bi woni area na sa akola no ebia na afiansa wo ko university wa ko serve 10 years aba no akola na no ko university no sisi a wonyin ama wo ye juma ma wo nya scout so be won say na akola wo ya na wo ko university no ni hwe na fe he ka wo dem obon say enibre obe say dabi. And there I also have to catch up and until no chrono no I was say me born more. But ye be say now ye add value to their lives in the prison. Na wo ba bonti an wo kita degree at least akoye say wakosia pon na Ghana ha say there ye can ye say at least wukosia pon mu na wo nsia hwe kra na at least say been prayed as anyansa de wo be sia. Because one thing about siapon is say ebie wa adwen mu the things that university no me the university me who say any extraordinary things be out just that ebie wa adwen mu it opens your level of thinking at here it's at least yes you trying to say siapon mu nyama na ebie na adwen mu kaka wo opie ba abonten a he's not the same person who entered now no wo degree and I say wo diploma say the person has actually added value to his life. Into one fan ne ho enkobo sa ne nanfofo seven previous as criminals kwahwe kwafo na still wo mo ye say wo mo betwe na akono da bi on fan ne ho enkobo because he say wo be value ne ho say he say dey make it a degree me ametumi ayade on my own metumi akopa ejuma at I said that is if ejuma na wo kopa no he's not the person is not actually discriminated upon say wako prison and yam foul what I say provided say ejuma no wo mo nya sa ono so betumi akopa ejuma na say at least we nya the life ade we there it has actually made my day ama me ni age papa UCC womo penyino wayade KNUST Vice Chancellor, please learn from this. Legon Vice Chancellor, you all should be learning from this. And anyway, pencil all the technical universities ewa Ghana, Sunyane technical universities first omane from Pole Ghana de Siapon no Dawson Siapon de Dawson omane first from Pole no at least see ye schools mean there eyo margin say wo mo ye ne sa ebeboa because oko Kumasi say at least Siapon no Dawson aside the private universities ni nyama no ati ase o de Siapon mienu a ye be bodin pan eye KNUST ene ebia Kumasi Pole inti no ebia Kumasi say na KNUST ni Kumasi Pole wo mo abom no mo aye na other towns ni na Siapon a ewo ho ne wo mo so abom aye den aye eyade a ebeboa papa. I think say Ghana has the way we treat prisoners, because sometimes you can attest to the fact say omo a wo mo dem no eto de bia ebi mo wo ho a mistake ebufo na ebae na trese obi wo ho nso a nsohwe obi wo ho nso a enye nani so a obi wo ho nso a ntro ne yetwa ato ne so. I remember Embrana me wo Unity Hall konti last na me catch am say Embrana me wo Unity Hall no na there one thing I always like and say every single year na yenia ye the entire boom na ye disika na ya to nyama bom na ya Kumasi prisons na chese ya ko donate amomo. Na last time the last time we went to the Kumasi prisons no any inmates no bobo nkomo, because we also want them to feel free into ye ni obo bobo nkomo mu bi say oh Siapon to say ni aka ni atromo. Na last year no na me ne madam for bi na rider Michal na mene no na chese ye ni one inmate bi bon nkomo ena inmates no wo trend say de eden no bedu ho de o say ono ankasa na downfall say eduane sika te say fried rice hunti ena tre say na downfall no eden no ebeto na de esi ene say o say wo girlfriend ne girlfriend no ne kre with 16 years we under age but akola no ne hu ensa like we ya ne hu peninsem but about age wise they with 16 now na downfall ni nim say the girl yi they with 16 but wo bia enka inti girl no so na wo fo nim inti ya na girl na ewia ne ho na wa be hye eye guy ne ho na tre say wo bieja na tre say wo si onya fried rice bi na downfall ni bi san no say one man bi no kata na downfall no say o da bi comedy ni too much no man na downfall ni bi na downfall ni we didi adan na me nya me fried rice me be dia wo si say o si e ho na downfall ni buefu na downfall na ko report ama ne girlfriend no ne papa say madam fui menene na ete wone wo bana we di 16 years no e na eda de bia wone ne da etiefo na girlfriend ne papa nso no je say guy ne hu ye nihi e na fast wo call report ma police for be mo be yan hwehwe mu na ne kre say guy no wone under age 16 years eda e no de Ghana mbra no we yeden ye be chi watum e na branche ye chi ne tum nti o say wono ankasa na danfo eduane a wan mani nti ne sumu asem na danfo no ekosusu ho tre girl ne papa e ma ya be chi na tum. Some of the stories utia we ka say hey e asemu obi wo ho akono bone wontumi anhye na akono so ebi mu wo ho kra na nsense pastor bi yesi wo ko repi ono aneba later na ebe release no say nya ne kre it just say ye de to ne so ye twantro to ne so but o survey term ni bi e wo prison ho monche mo adwen me da say